Sandals, Montego Bay, room number 665. Nice big closet, and as soon as you walk in, an ironing board as well. Nice big safe. You can fit a normal size laptop in there. Of course, your nice sandals. Oh, nice sandals robe. Oh, some motion lighting in here too. That's nice. You have a stocked some liquor that comes in the room. They top it off for you daily. You also have a mini fridge down here that is stocked and restocked daily. So a wide assortment of drinks in there. Very nice. And a sink. Very nice. Coffee maker up top. And the bed, nice king size bed. Very nice. Overhead ceiling fan as well. Come here. More drawers. Plenty of storage in this room. Probably enough storage to stay for 2 weeks if you'd like. Got a nice cheese and cracker plate. Came in. It had the lid on it, of course. I took it off. Very nice. Very nice. There's a sitting area here as well. Good artwork. And real big balcony with a soaking tub. Real big. And a little sitting area as well, which is great. Our neighbors. Come out here, and what a view. Gorgeous. All right, let's check out the bathroom next. There are some extra outlets here on the counter as well. One interesting part of this room, right here, opens up into the shower. There's glass there. But you can either have it open or shut. You decide. And here's the sink. Plenty of towels. Nice bright mirrors with the lights around it. Very nice. Shower. Very large. Nice sit-down bench in there. You got the 2 shower heads. Great. And they put the toilet is over here to the side. All right, this is room 665. Beautiful. Butler services included, 24-hour room service. Amazing room, amazing room.